Major cash heist at Portmore, Scotia ABM under investigation. Police are investigating a daring weekend robbery in which an undetermined sum of cash was stolen from a Scotiabank automated banking machine in Portmore, St. Catherine. According to information obtained by our news team, the incident occurred at the bank's location along Braeton Parkway, where a group of men reportedly carried out what appears to have been a carefully planned operation. Sources say the suspects arrived at the bank compound in a grey Nissan Latio sedan. They were reportedly dressed in black clothing and wearing gloves, apparently to conceal their identities and avoid leaving forensic evidence. Investigators have been told that the men gained access to the ABM service room before using security access codes to unlock 4 separate ABM safes. They then removed an undetermined amount of cash and fled the scene. While the exact amount of stolen cash has not yet been disclosed, our sources indicate that each of the 4 safes has the capacity to hold more than 20 million Jamaican dollars, raising the possibility that the total value of the theft could be substantial. Authorities have not confirmed how much money was inside the machines at the time of the robbery. The circumstances surrounding how the suspect allegedly obtained the security codes are now expected to form a key part of the investigation. Detectives are reviewing surveillance footage, examining forensic evidence, and pursuing several leads to determine whether the operation involved insider assistance or other security breaches. So far, no arrests have been announced, and the police have not released any official description of the suspects beyond the information provided by sources familiar with the investigation. Customers using the ABM are advised to monitor updates from the bank regarding any temporary disruption to service, while investigators continue processing the scene. Police are appealing to anyone who may have witnessed suspicious activity in the Braeton Parkway area over the weekend, or who may have information that could assist investigators to contact the nearest police station or Crime Stop. This is a developing story, and we will continue to provide updates as more official information becomes available. Please like, comment, and subscribe.